Go. Look where you're casting. Let it sink. Now reel. 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 Keep reeling. Oh my goodness gracious, it's a huge smallmouth. Oh baby. Right up, come to me, come to me. Right there, don't move. Just keep reeling. 4 or 5 pounder right here. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Come on. Keep your hand on the reel. Hand on the reel. Pump up. Don't do that. Don't jerk. Just reel. Be smooth. We got all day. Right here, baby. That's a big one. Come on. Right here, right here. Get him up. Yeah. Baby. Baby, that is a big one. Open your bail. All right. You got the bail open?
Yeah.
All right. Here's your trophy. Here's a 6 pounder. All day, big boy.
That's what I wanted to catch.
All day.
Let's go!